guys, for today's video. Ayan, today is Sunday guys and I'm going to the church. I'm going to the church guys and this is my outfit for today. I really love it guys. A sample outfit of mine. Ayan, I really love the color guys. Ayan. One of my favorite color, a yellow color, diba? Pak na pak siya guys. I really love it. Ayan. Look guys, ayan, for 350 pesos. My outfit for today. Ayan. Nabili ko to siya sa mall guys. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan. For only 350 pesos. Diba? Pak na pak yan siya guys. Yung kanyang likuran. Ayan. Pak na pak. Ayan. O diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya guys. Ayan. For only 350 pesos. Diba? So, ayan. Maglalagay na ako ng ano guys. Ayan. I put a little blush on my face. Ayan, sa tuwing alis ako guys. Ayan. Naglalagay ako ng konting blush on. A little blush on. I use my guys, my finger. Because, ayan, my brush is nawala. Ayan, nawala yung aking brush guys. So, I use my hands. Ayan. Put a little. Just tap on your cheeks. Ayan. So, and then, ayan. Naka-lipstick na ako, guys. So, I'm ready to go na. Ayan. Ready to go na, guys. And then, maglalagay ako ng little, guys. Ayan. May pabango. So, yes. Ang bango niya, guys. Ang bango ng alcohol. Ayan. And then, maglalagay ako ng guys, eyeshadow. A little eyeshadow. Ayan. Ayan. Itong brown yung aking gusto, guys. Ayan. A little only. Look. Diba ang ganda, guys? Ayan. A brown color. A little. Just a little eyeshadow guys, and then that's it guys. My simple beauty. Ayan, my simple guys. So this is me, my simple beauty, my simple makeup guys. So I'm ready to go na. Ayan, my outfit for today. Ayan, happy Sunday everyone. I'm ready to go na. Ayan, it's church day and it's smiling time. Bye everyone.